Welcome back to the Crypto Arc channel. This is Jay. It's been some time since I last made a video. I have been way too focused with Muay Thai, and I've been giving more roles to do at the gym. So that's why I've been away, like AWOL, from making YouTube videos. And you know, I really apologize for that. If you guys wanted like more updated information, but yeah, I'm gonna do my best to basically manage my time a little bit better, because right now I'm just kind of like all over the place, but through this chaos for sure I'll find some order. But anyways, let's get started. So with this 48 laws of power quote: most people are afraid to break so boldly with tradition, but they secretly admire those who can break up the old forms and reinvigorate the culture. This is why there's so much power to be gained from entering vacuums and voids. So yes, go stick your dick inside a vacuum and the inner voids of the vagina. You will have power. I'm just fucking with you guys. But anyways, yeah, you take whatever you can from that this part right here. Actually, the whole entire thing, and see what it can do for you. So let's see. In terms of the crypto market, we did get a little boost. That's because the Fed is talking today. Jerome Powell did basically, this week, Jerome Powell yesterday basically said they're going to buy more assets and, yeah, control the inflation rate. And he also said that they have the power to, increase the faucet even more, or like open it up even more. So that to me is saying, yo, they're going to pump more debt into the market. So expect them to buy more cryptos. And you can see Bitcoin is going up a little bit, but it's mainly the altcoins that got a big boost. You have Terra, Luna right there. Terra itself also has a big ecosystem. Let's see what else. I'm just looking at the first page, guys. Also Tezos, XTZ, that also is another big deal. We call it a blue chip crypto. Quant. Oh, this one's major too, guys. So this is like equivalent to Bitcoin. Yeah, because it has so many use cases. So definitely pay attention to this guy. And remember, nothing I say in my video is financial advice. Please do your research. And I don't know where the heck this came from. Jeez, it was like out of nowhere. And look at the price. 0.0002. So with like 20 bucks alone, I think you can get like 100,000 of this. And yeah, definitely pay attention to this because I've never seen this one before. So if it's top 100 right now, for sure it has some use cases or something. Let's see what else made a big jump. Axie Infinity. So in terms of gaming and DeFi, that is the current trend. Lower this down a bit. And games like Axie Infinity is one of them. I'm into DPETs right now. They are still in the beta process, I think, and they just came out with their world boss and PvP thing. They just set it up, but it's not fully ready yet. You can't do it. So definitely look into DPETs as well. Let's see what else went up. AR. I'm pretty sure this is in the NFT niche. I'm not entirely sure, but you guys gotta do your own digging in that one. CeeLo. Oh, this one's important as well. Andreessen Horowitz is backing this up, so wherever that guy puts his money in, definitely ride that wave. And remember, that is not financial advice. Harmony One is picking up. This too is like what do you call it? Polygon Matic. It's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, and basically it's like they offer very quick transactions and it's very scalable as well. Look into this one too. Let's see what else is worth mentioning here. XDC didn't get a big pump, but you know that's okay because I prefer this to be at a lower price. This is part of the ISO 222 list of coins, and it's going to be like the global standard for cross-border payments, something like that. Anyways, start looking into this a little bit more as well, because the financial systems are going to be using their protocol. Alright, I gotta hurry up because I am also cooking rice, and I don't want that thing to, overcook. Let's see what else is worth mentioning. Alright, fuck that. Let's see. So Bitcoin to remain resilient to Fed's impending taper. I listened to a bit of Jerome Powell's speech, and he basically said that towards the end of the year they're gonna start tapering. But you have Greg Manarino saying that they're not gonna do it until like later on, or probably like after Q4. Anyways, after all this like big inflation they're gonna do, they are going to use cryptos for the deflationary thing because most of these cryptos are deflationary. An example of that is I think Ethereum now is deflationary. I don't know, XRP is little bits gets used every single time someone does a transaction. Let's see what else is deflationary. We have I'm thinking of the big ones like Tron. Oh, TRX. Yes, that's another one. You have Zilliqa. I'm not sure. Oh, some DAG is going to be burned when they do that node exchange thing, but you need at least like 250,000 DAG coins to get that, and that right now costs over like probably over 6 figures. So I missed out on that boat, so don't feel bad. Let's see what else can I. Man, I'm just dropping so many coins right now. Okay, you know what? I should stop. It's too many cool shit. Okay, let's see. Altcoin surge as the crypto market regains steam. Yeah, I already showed you guys that in CoinGecko. And definitely the altcoins that are undervalued are definitely going to be the ones that give you the most ROI. Because, I'm looking at some of these cryptos that have real use cases, and some of them are still like below 10 million in terms of market cap. So you guys can definitely like do your digging on those, find those, and make your bets. And you can definitely use CoinGecko to find you that. And all you gotta do, guys, is hold on, I'm just scrolling through. Go through the last few pages or within the 5th page or something. You'll definitely find gems in here, or it'll give you a good lead. Like, let's see, Keeper DAO is another one. Oh, this one, TVK. They're big in the NFT virtual world shit. This one as well, Singularity DAO. Oh, look at that, 27%. Aavegotchi, I'm in this. I wrote it when it was like $1.30, then went to like $2 something. He's doing his little establishing or consolidation right now, which is cool. That's also another gaming DeFi crypto. This one you can make money with just having this little ghost thing. I don't fully understand it, so you're gonna have to do your research on that one. Let's see what else is good in here. You know what? Basically got it. Just look into the list, guys, and really just do your digging, because you can't fully rely on others' perspective most of the time. You can use it as a source of information, but ultimately it has to be you that does the research, so that way you develop conviction towards the project and understand more of what's happening in the world. Because the whole entire world is gonna go in the blockchain, man. And in the future, what the fuck? Look at this. I just realized that. That was retarded. But anyways. Oh my god, I lost my train of thought. Oh yes, the whole entire world is going to blockchain, and they're gonna make it so that the outside world is not as pleasing compared to the virtual world. And they already have all these like gaming industries going to the crypto as well, so definitely the trend is moving towards there. Alright, so you know what? That's it for the crypto stuff. This is another one I want to bring up. Should your web history impact your credit score? The IMF thinks so. So overall, the banking system, they're gonna be using AI to basically monitor our web searches and look at our history, and they're gonna use AI to calculate our social credit score. So this is definitely something to be paying attention to, guys, because this is happening beneath the COVID narratives that they're playing out in the media. Oh crap, I just said that COVID thing. Whatever. Man, wow, I'm so like all over the place right now. Apologize. But anyways, yes, AI is definitely something that we gotta be paying attention to more, because it's gonna replace us in the workforce. And that is the truth that most cannot absorb just yet. But once they start seeing those robots, and in Toronto too, guys, what they have is this little pink robots that deliver food or whatever. I've seen it happen. Like it's passed by me multiple times, and it's crazy. And that's just a start. Starting next year, you're gonna have more machines, autonomous machines, basically doing Uber stuff or DoorDash stuff. And yeah, a lot of these guys that are doing Uber right now, oh, they don't. Oh man, they're gonna have like so much more competition. It's crazy. And yeah, if you want a list of those cryptos that these machines are gonna be using to do transactions and basically acquire data, definitely join my Patreon, man, because yo, I did a lot of digging on this, and this is definitely something that can, reward you with a lot of return on investment. So I definitely do think I deserve Patreon subscription. So definitely look into my description because the Patreon thing is there. If you want to save yourself a lot of time in research, I'll just give you the list of things to look at. Let's see what else. Wuhan scientists plan to release coronavirus particles in cave beds. So, I just look. This is my thinking. They're already creating the narratives for the next wave of viruses they're gonna do. So they're gonna put us in lockdown a little bit more. I kid you not. Australia already has more than 4 already. And in Ontario right now, I think we're entering our 4th one. We're about to. So, yeah, these motherfuckers, they're just fucking shit up. Alright, let's see what else. Ransomware attacks. If you still have your cryptos in the exchanges, please remove them out of centralized exchanges and put them inside your own wallet that you have custody of. Like a soft wallet, if you guys are short on cash, like let's say MetaMask, Atomic Wallet, and each crypto has their own respective wallet as well. So look into that one. And if you want, hold on, I gotta check my rice. Alright, I don't do edits, so that's why I say that. Right, so in terms of ransomware attacks, there's going to be more cyber attacks happening, and they're definitely going to do that to your banks. So that way they're going to freeze it, and they're going to do stuff to it. Basically, create that narrative so that way we move from centralized to decentralized, because that's the current trend right now. And yeah, that is all I have. Just press that. Just share it around, man. Share this information. Thank you.